Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm going to make honey mustard dressing. Everybody's looking for good dressing. You know, there's all kinds that you can choose from. And when I found this one, I fell in love with it. And I used to work at a farm in Hawaii. And this was for special needs people. And so they had a catering business. They had a cafe where people could come and buy things. Well, one of the things that they made was salads, fresh salads. And everybody was looking for different dressings. So when I came up with this dressing, this was really popular. Everybody loves this dressing. The staff, the people who came and bought the salads, they requested this particular dressing. So because this was a special needs place, some of the clients, we taught them how to make this, and they learned how to do it by following directions and making it. And when people came and they saw who was making it, people were very glad, and they came back many times to ask for this dressing. So here it is. All you do is you take half a cup of mayonnaise, I like to mix it up a little bit so it's not so chunky. And 2 tablespoons of honey. This gives it a little sweetness. It's really good. Okay. Then mix that up too. And there's 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. I just mix everything up as I go along, because if you just dump everything in and mix it, it'll tend to be kind of lumpy. So already, I can smell it. And there's 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard. This gives it a little tang too. There's 1.5 teaspoons of finely minced onions. And 1.5 teaspoons of finely minced garlic, parsley. 1.5 teaspoons of oil, any kind of oil. You can use canola, or olive oil, or any kind of neutral kind of oil. And then 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And that's all there is to it. So simple. And then it doesn't make a whole batch, but you can multiply this recipe many times so you have it all the time. But I'm just making a small batch right now. So just pour it in the bottle. Wait, first let's taste it. I'm going to taste a little bit. Delightful. It's sweet, slightly tangy, and the flavor is wonderful. So it'll go along well with any kind of green salads that you have. You'll really enjoy this. Perfect. Now here is your honey mustard dressing. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And mahalo for watching. See you on the next video.